Welcome back to another delicious recipe from Oyo Ndoke's kitchen. And today we are making fish pepper soup dinner. Yes, you can see my fish is completely washed and clean, and all the fins are all cut off. And for my pepper mix, I'm using red bell pepper, red habanero, one scotch bonnet pepper, and some onions. And this is me adding into the pot the washed fish. Let me know if you have tried this fish before. I'm using pompano fish, and we're going in now with 2 cups of water. Feel free to adjust the water to how you want it. The next will be to add our roughly chopped pepper mix. We're going to add it all. We have bell pepper, red habanero, and one scotch bonnet pepper. And I tell you, this is not hot at all, with some onions. And at this point, we are going to stir nicely to combine and cover to cook. So guys, thank you for watching this video today. Let me know where you're watching me from. I do appreciate you all. So we're going to cover to cook. After a few minutes, you can see it's beginning to look good. Now we are going in with our plantain. My plantain is about 70% ripe. So usually people use yam, but we are using plantain. And I'm going in with my pepper soup mix, followed by bouillon seasoning. And at this point, we are going to stir gently. Let me know if you have made this kind of pepper soup before, pepper soup with some plantain. We are now going to cover to cook. We are just going to adjust a little bit with some salt. We are not turning anymore, no more stir. You just juggle your pot a little bit and cover to cook. Guys, we are adding scent leaf, and you guys know I live in diaspora, so we hardly find fresh scent leaf, and that's what I added now. And because I love prawns, okay, that's why I'm adding prawn. This is not a must, this is optional. If you're not a fan of prawn or shrimp, please do not add this. So we are going to turn gently to mix, and I tell you, try this recipe, very easy. Anybody can make this. Within 30 minutes, you're out of the kitchen. Guys, it's looking good already. Just to brighten my food, I had to go in with some green veggie. And I'm using what? Fresh parsley leaf here. We're just going to shake the pot gently. We are not stirring again. And guys, at this point, our food is ready. Very delicious, super tasty. The fish itself is very delicious as well. And I'm going to definitely taste to make sure the season is all on point. And I tell you, it tasted so good. This is very healthy and a very light dinner to make for your family. Let me know if you're going to be trying this in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share.